Hey, I'm Chris. I'm going to show you how you can fill up your raised bed like cheap, without renting a truck or destroying your back or buying soil or spending a fortune on bagged soil or like carrying soil around, or okay, you get the idea. The best time to fill up your raised bed, the way I show you, is in autumn or in spring. Logs or any other type of wood pieces are your first layer. Place your raised bed on any type of open ground, so not on concrete, and add any wood pieces you have available. For the second layer, you can use any type of fresh or dried up plant materials. If you have a shredder, you can chop up all those branches and then add it to the logs and wooden pieces to generate the second layer of your raised bed. Use as much for the second layer again as you have material available. Before you plant your raised bed, add a bit of compost as a top layer. Doesn't have to be a perfect compost, it's just a little bit of topsoil so that you can immediately plant your plants into your raised bed. And the branches and logs will decompose while your plants are growing. Thereby, soil will be created while your plants are growing. At the end of the season, you will have a raised bed full of your own organic soil.